Hi, I'm Mark, the founder of HEALTHandMED.com, and I want to personally welcome you to the world of detoxing by flooding your body with negative ions and using one of the IonizeMe Ionic Detox foot bath systems. Let me tell you, we're really excited to be part of your detoxing journey, and this video contains everything you need to know.
Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary components. This includes the IonizeMe Maxx Dual machine, a couple of arrays, 2 foot tubs, disposable liners, Himalayan salt, and, if desired, 2 optional fur belts. It may also be helpful to have the operating instructions on hand to follow along with this video. All accessories can be purchased at www.healthandmed.com. Start by lining your foot tub with a disposable liner for an easier cleanup. Then, fill the tub with a few inches of warm water. Plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Make sure that both of the start-stop buttons are not pressed in yet. Then, flip the power switch on. The LED display screens will light up. Wait about 15 seconds for the machine to calibrate before continuing. The red start-stop buttons will turn off. If you'd like to run 2 detox sessions, follow along with the video to complete the first session on channel 1. Then, return to this point and repeat the steps, but for channel 2. Press the start-stop button of the channel you are operating. The top number should show a voltage between 10 and 23. The bottom number will show 0 amps. If your model has 2 voltage dials on the back, make sure that they are both turned fully clockwise. You won't usually need to adjust these dials. Plug the array into the corresponding array socket and slowly lower it into the water. Make sure the water level completely covers the metal coils of the array. If you're using the optional fur belt, plug it into the fur belt socket. Wrap the fur belt around the waist or another area like the arm, shoulder, or back. Secure it with the hook and loop fasteners. The belt comes with an extra extender stored behind the internal elastic, which you can use for extra length if needed. Place feet in the water, and keep Himalayan salt nearby to adjust the amperage as needed. The ideal amperage range is between 1.7 and 2.2 amps. As the amperage increases, the lower number on the LED display will rise. If you need to raise the amperage, lift the array out of the water, add a pinch of salt, and dissolve it by gently swishing the feet. Slowly lower the array back into the water and wait about 30 seconds for the reading to adjust. Repeat until the amperage falls within the correct range. Be careful not to add too much salt at once, as this could trigger the oversalt alarm. If this does happen, press the corresponding start-stop button to stop the alarm. Remove some of the water and replace it with fresh tap water. Then, try again, making sure not to add too much salt at once. Always lower the array very slowly to avoid triggering a false oversalt alarm. If you need further help, please refer to the IonizeMe Maxx Dual troubleshooting guide, enclosed with the operating instructions. The Maxx Dual is designed with a built-in timer that automatically shuts off after 30 minutes. This is the typical length for a detox session. Once the amperage is in the right range and you're ready to start, simply reset the timer by pressing the corresponding start-stop button out and back in again. This ensures that you get a full 30-minute session. Each machine includes a letter from Dr. Terence Cooper with detox guidelines for different ages and health needs. For free, personalized guidance, you can reach Dr. Cooper at 435-531-9418. At this point, you've completed all the steps for the first foot bath. If you'd like to start a second session, you can go back now and repeat the process for Channel 2. After each session is complete, press the Start/Stop button for the corresponding channel and flip the power switch off. The water can be disposed of in a sink, tub, toilet, or outside. The water is harmless but may temporarily stain grass or rocks. After your detox session, it's important to clean and maintain your array to keep it sanitized and in good condition. To do this, you'll need an array cleaning jar and some HEALTHandMED cleaning solution. Immediately after each use, rinse the array with water. Then, fill the array cleaning jar with enough water to fully submerge the metal coils inside the array. Add 2 large scoops, or about 1.5 teaspoons, of cleaning solution and mix well. Place the array inside the jar and store it there until your next detox. If the cleaning water becomes dark, refresh the water and add new solution.
Now you're ready to use your IonizeMe Ionic Detox foot bath system. When you're ready to get more accessories, visit us online at HEALTHandMED.com or call us at 888-649-3650. Thank you and happy detoxing!